Welcome back to another session with IGMS painters and interior designers. Today we're going to be dealing on Correx protection again. So if you haven't seen any of our previous videos, please check us out on Facebook and YouTube as well. Don't forget to like, comment and share. So for today's video we're going to be doing Correx protection on some wooden set of stairs, and all you're going to need for today is Correx, sharp blade and some gaffer tape. So before we get started, a few tips. Make sure your blade is as sharp as possible because you want to make the best and sharpest cuts during your Correx installation. Secondly, make sure the light is going on and off. Make sure you also have good tape. So depending on the surface that you're actually protecting, for example, we're going to be doing some wooden floors today, a strong gaffer tape might not be your best bet because once you're pulling up the gaffer tape, you might end up damaging your surface. So if you have a fragile surface, you can also use some masking tape, or also known as painter's tape. Okay, so this also has good adhesion, but the difference is that when you're pulling up your Correx or your installation, it is much more easier on the surface. Okay, so Correx also has some other names. It's also known as a Proplex, or in your area it could be called by another name. You know, so speak to your supplier or your local DIY guy to know what it's actually called in your particular area. Correx or Proplex is just a fire retardant or flame retardant protective material that protects surfaces from damage. So today we're also going to be removing some waste materials from upstairs. Okay, so it's good to have the wooden floors, all the stairs protected. So I've babbled on long enough. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Come on.
Start by cutting out your Correx templates according to the required area. In this case we are dealing with the wooden staircase. Be sure to tape the Correx to the surface firmly and not to expose any surface that could be damaged during the construction activities in process. When tackling straight flat areas like the landing, it's good to place a full sheet of Correx down, then cut your template into the area, avoiding any damage to the surface by cutting with your blade or Stanley knife. Repeat your cutting process for the remaining set of steps and landings as required, and continue to install your Correx protection. Once you're done installing your Correx protection, you should have a finished protected surface area that looks like this.
Welcome back. That was a lot of fun. So now you know how we Correx wooden stairs, especially finished surfaces at IGMS painters and interior designers. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next how-to video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and please drop a comment if you wish.